it's a team win, but having Hector in the starting lineup for the first time today, what did that make different about the team today?
No, I mean, a player of that caliber coming into the team is obviously going to make the team better. But overall today, I thought it was a team performance. Everyone was playing for the team. There was no individuals on that field today, and it was a great team performance.
Next, we'll go to Dustin Richardson from Dynamo Theory. Go ahead, Dustin.
Hey, Thor. Congrats on the goal. It looked like when Sebastian came in, you guys kind of changed the tactics a little. Just kind of walk us through what was different with you after Sebastian came in and kind of and getting that chance on the goal.
Not much really. DQ Darwin went down to kind of like a 10 role, and Sebas just went up top, so it was pretty much a straight swap. But no, I mean, we all know Sebas is a good player, and he obviously was a big boost when he came on. So yeah, I'm just glad that we got 3 points.
And coming from behind, you guys, you haven't done that this year, going down and then coming back and getting a win. How big is that for you guys? Just not just today, but going forward to prove that you can come back when you guys go down early.
It's huge, we believe it every single time, but now we accomplished it, and especially away from home is very big. But now going forward, we know it's about it's about connecting wins in this league, and that can propel you far high in the standings. So yeah, we're gonna make a push now.
Thanks, Thor.
Next, we'll go to Victor Ariza from the Striker Taps List. Go ahead, Victor.
Hey, Thor. In terms of stopping, this run of one win in 6 games, how huge is this victory for the team?
It's massive. It really is massive. We had to put our foot down and you get a result, and to do it away at a difficult place like this is massive. But as I said earlier, in this league, it's about connecting wins, and we need to prove that we're a good team by connecting wins now in the league and really make a push for the playoffs.
Tell me a little about your rookie season, maybe going a little bit under the radar in the national perspective, but 4 goals now. What do you think has been the key for you? Maybe obviously something your coach has believed in you at times, even over a designated player like Ferreira. What do you think has been the key for you to adapt so quickly to this level?
I think it's just hard work and dedication. Obviously, having the belief from the coach is big, but he believes in me because I go into the training ground and put in hard work, and every single day. And so no, it's been a really good rookie season, I think, up to this point. But I'm aiming for more and aiming for bigger things. But yeah, it's really good to get the minutes that I've gotten so far, and especially coming to the draft, not a lot of players get a lot of playing time, so it's been a good season for me.
Tell me about that, the moment between the Ferreira goal and your goal. Tim Parker makes that big save. How huge was that? And then obviously, sealing the deal in this game with you getting the game-winning goal. Yeah,
it was massive. That goal line save from Tim was crucial to the game, and it helped us get the winner. So, all props to him.
Thanks, Thor.
Of course.
And next, we'll go to Thiago Randall from Territorio MLS, Brazil.
Good night, Thor. Congratulations on the goal. What do you think was essential for you to win the game today after the team conceded a goal?
Just sticking together and sticking to the game plan and playing as a team. As I said earlier, everyone was playing for the betterment of the team, and we really put in a performance here, and I thought we were pretty good today. So yeah, coming away with 3 points at San Jose is a massive result for us, and we look forward to the next game now.
Thanks, Thor.
Thor, we'll let you go there. Congrats on the win, and thank you for your time.
All right, thank you, guys.
Everybody, I'm going to start, and if anybody has any questions, please use the raise your hand function, and I'll call on you. Tim, let's just start first and foremost with what a victory like this, on the road, coming back from behind, means for the team.
Yeah, it's huge. I think the goal they score in the fashion that they scored it was I thought really unlucky for us. But I thought we came out in the first half and played really well. In the second half, we played the start to the second half, we were all over them as well. So to give up that goal was really unlucky. But then obviously the response from the group was fantastic. I think everyone kept their heads up. Everyone was still grinding, still working for one another, especially. And obviously we were able to get the result because of that.
Thank you so much for that. Next, we'll go to Victor Ariza from the Striker. Go ahead, Victor.
Yeah. Hey, Tim, to add to that, how big is this in terms of, stopping a 4-match winless streak and a bad run coming back from the international break, kind of stop the bleeding there and try to get back up in the Western Conference standings?
Yeah. I think obviously a win on the road is something that can spark something like that. But for us, we had a meeting after the last game in Austin, and it was about, we said stop talking about it and start being about it, especially on the field. So, like I said, I'm just really proud of the guys for the effort that they put in for one another tonight, and to get the result is something that it means a lot for us.
Can you talk to us about, obviously, your big play, saving the ball, giving the team the opportunity to go ahead and get the game-winning goal, and how did that come about?
Yeah, I was just saying in there, sometimes a little bit of luck. I think obviously we give the ball away in a not ideal spot. I kind of just sniff out the danger, and obviously I try to just make myself as big as I can in that goal. And fortunately for me, and obviously the rest of the guys, that it hits me, and then we're able to capitalize on it in the next couple minutes and score the go-ahead.
Does anybody owe you lunch because of that play?
No. We'll just we'll hold on to the win for a while.
All right. I'll just finish off with this. Well, what can you tell us about the influence of Ferreira, obviously playing the whole game? You guys gave him the captain's armband. The way he directs traffic. What is it about his influence on the game that you think maybe has provided a change?
Yeah, I actually was just talking about it inside. He's huge for us. Obviously his presence, his reputation obviously comes into form, but for us on the field, he's a huge presence. He allows the guys around him to kind of have a little bit more freedom, just because, his knowledge of the game. He's smart, he's intelligent, he's good on the ball, he knows how to organize things around him. So it gives the guys around him a lot more freedom and a lot more confidence to do stuff.
Thanks, Tim.
Next, we'll go to Dustin Richardson from Dynamo Theory. Go ahead, Dustin.
Hey, Tim. Last 4 games, you guys had conceded multiple goals. Like you said tonight, kind of an unlucky goal to concede. But what was the difference just for you guys defensively, being keeping San Jose down and getting 2 goals yourselves tonight?
Yeah. First of all, that San Jose team, their attacking front 4 or 5 guys are very talented. So coming into this game, we had to obviously be very focused on our defensive shape, our defensive responsibilities, and how we were going to situate our lines in terms of how we were going to confront them and where we were going to be comfortable holding that line. So it was really important for us to be organized the entire game to obviously limit their chances.
Thanks, Tim.
Next, we're going to Ian Quillen from MLSsoccer.com. Go ahead, Ian.
Hi, Tim. Thanks for the time. I know Thor was talking about trying to string wins together now, and that's how you really get back in this thing. And you haven't done that yet, but you have, the Austin game aside, you overcome some adversity against Dallas. You overcome some adversity here. How important is sort of learning to do that as a team?
Yeah. It's really important. I think obviously throughout the course of the year, you're going to have some ups and downs. You're going to have some things go against you. But for us to kind of continually show that fight, especially on the road tonight, I think is a really, really big step for us. And the first thing we want to talk about now is next week at home versus Minnesota. You know, I think that's the next thing on our mind. And like you said, that Thor said, it's about stringing them together and going on a little positive run.
Great. Next, we'll go to Thiago Brandão from Territorial MLS Brazil. Go ahead.
Good night, team. Congratulations on the win. Thinking about playoffs, how important was winning the game today?
Yeah, you know, I mean, it was important. I think it's just it's really important for the start of us. You know, I think we have a lot of games left, but it takes one to start a fire. So I think that's what we're looking forward to right now.
Thanks, team.
Great, Tim. I think we'll let you go there. Thanks so much for your time, and have the safe travels back.
Thanks, guys.
All right, y'all. We'll be back with head coach Paulo Nakamura